guys, Chelsea Comer, InkyStamper, coming to you live from my craft room. Tonight we are going to play with a die that I don't use very often on the live. I don't know why. I love this die, and Kim loves this die too. Like when we first got this die, we were like, oh my gosh, this is the greatest thing. And unless you've actually touched one of these and seen it, you will not realize how strong this is. We are going to have a ball tonight. Well, not really. Well, kind of. We're going to make a ball tonight, otherwise known as an orb. I absolutely love this die, and I'll just tell you a little bit about it right now, and then we'll go ahead and get making it. But it is $14.95. And the best part of this die is it comes with a die. Haha. And it comes with full instructions. Full instructions. And you know what I decided I'm going to do tonight? I'm actually going to use this live, and I'm going to put it on YouTube so that people can watch it over and over again and make their orbs if they get an orb die. So there you go. You're going to have a video and you're going to have full color instructions on how to make it. So super simple, and I will help you get it. I will help you get it going today, so you'll know how to do it. Yay. I saw Heidi, you just got this die, so glad I'm showing you how to use it. Excellent. And we are also going to use the mini double bow die tonight as well. I love this die in combination with the orb, so it's going to be very fun and festive. And there's a reason why we're doing ornaments tonight. I will tell you about that too. Okay, let's see. I'm going to flip the camera up and then flip it down, and we will get started. Wendy, you have both dies, so you can make this project, and it's super simple. Okay, here we go. I am going to flip you up and then flip you down. Here we go. We're seeing the boop. Yay. Yay, I love it when it works. Hi, Deb Miller. Hope you're doing well. I miss my local buddies. Oh, cool, Leanne. Perfect. You're going to make it right along with us then. That is great. Okay, so the orb die, again, comes with one die that has these great indentations. They're not cut marks, but they actually score right on these like half circle points, right? And so what I did to kind of maybe show you how it scores, see how I already kind of creased them? I kind of like to crease them so I have a target, especially on darker paper where you might or might not see them, or heavier weight paper. So I crease them. You're going to want to make 3 passes with your die and make 3 strips, 1, 2, 3, right? And then what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to wonder if I have scissors. I don't see my scissors handy. That could be an issue. 1 second while I get my scissors. What's a girl to do without scissors, man? Ugh. I was using them in the other room and now they're back. Okay, so I am going to add red line tape to all of the ends of my orb here. Orb strips. So 1, 2, 3. Christine Roy, you used the mini double bow die the other day. I know, isn't it perfect? It's so perfect to put on little packages or gifts or tags or whatever, or on a bag, you know? Okay, so next what you're gonna do is you're gonna take 2 of these strips. I'm gonna take off the red line tape, backing off one, and just make a chain, kind of like you're doing, you know, a chain of paper. For a paper chain along a tree, you're just going to make one chain, and then you're going to make 2 chains. So 2 total chains, just like so. Can you use white liner tape? Virginia, you could probably use white liner tape, but I don't want it to pop on you. Some white liner tape is better than others, I agree, but red line tape for me is the best for like boxes and 3D projects. So, okay, so you have 2 chains, chain links, right? You are going to intersect them, just like so. You see this? Just like so. One inside the other, one inside the other. That's it, okay? You're like, Chelsea, this seems too easy already. Okay, next what you're going to do. Now, you can already kind of line some stuff up, but I'm going to show you it without lined up. But if you get really good at this, you can line some stuff up prior and it'll make it easier. But I'm going to show you how to do it later. So now what we're going to do is we're going to put the other one, we're going to weave it in. So it's going to go down one side and up this other side. Seems pretty simple so far. Down one side, up the other side. Just like so. You guys see how that is? 2 ends. And then all you're going to do is attach these. Really? Really? That's it. Okay. So we're going to attach this side. So I'm going to take off this red liner tape. And we're going to attach these 2 sides. Blah, blah. Yay. Now, because I have already kind of scored and I know where everything is. Hello, Annie. I'm going to start pinching in my sides. So remember how they're scored, right? I'm just going to pinch in my sides. Now, if that side wasn't there, I can just turn it. Now, you know that where you have an end here, it's not going to be. So, actually, I'm just going to turn it first. Might make it slightly easier. So I'm just going to turn it, turn it, turn it. And it helps if you've got a little bit sturdier of paper. But now I know that I've got this one here. I've got this one here. Let's see. I've got this one here. Again, you can keep turning your sides if you don't have them. And then you're just going to push in right on the score lines. Just like so. And you're going to do this because this has 6 sides. You're going to do this 6 times. Annie, I'm so glad you're feeling better. So, and you're just going to keep pinching and pinching and pinching, and look at there. It's an orb. It's a ball. We just had a ball, didn't we? Yeah. And the great thing about this is it's really strong. This paper might be 60-pound paper, maybe 80-pound paper, but this ball is really, really strong. And it's just paper. It's amazing, right? And as Kim will tell you, her cats like to play with it. I mean, this would make a great cat toy, right, Kim? Bounce back and forth all over the living room, you know. Great entertainment for the kitties out there. Maybe even the kitties. And, you know, it's not a rubber ball, so, you know, it'd be pretty safe, non-toxic for kids as well. Anyway, okay, so we've got the ball, and now what I want to do, is take my string. You know what this reminds me a lot of? origami too, right? I'm sure there's some sort of origami ball like this, but all I did here was I threaded the elastic underneath one of the sides, right? And then you can do a couple things. I'm just going to tie it and then tie it again at top. But we're making this cool little ornament that we can stash on our tree and then tie it at the top. And I mean, really, that was not long to make. So if you wanted to make these in all different colors, if you wanted to make all of them red and white polka dot on your tree, how cute would that be with red and white polka dots all over your tree? I'm kind of a matchy girl myself. So there you go. So indoor snowball fight. Oh my gosh, how fun would that be? Make a whole bunch of white ones. I love that. Love that. Okay, so now what we're going to do to kind of finish this is we're going to do a mini double bow die. Again, this die is $14.95, such a steal. And this die is $9.95. If anyone out there has an indoor snowball fight and makes these, please send pictures. Oh my gosh, I want to see. You could put money in it, a money ball. Oh, that would be fun. You know, I was just thinking, you know how there's like that one dog toy called a Kong or something that you put peanut butter in for a dog? You could put catnip or something in it for your cat. You could. I think your cat's still going to play with it, Kim, whether or not it has catnip in it, but yeah. Oh my gosh, so fun. You guys have the most awesome ideas. Okay, so I just cut me a mini double bow die. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take red line tape again. And again, I like red line tape for 3D projects. If you wanted to use it, use white liner tape, I'm sure it would probably work, but I know red liner tape works really well. And all you're going to do is right down the center, you are going to put a piece of red liner tape. Now, I like to take my my paper tool and I like to kind of round these loops like so. And then what you're going to do, see how you have the red line tape? I'm going to take off the red line tape and I am going to touch the top bows right to the adhesive, this little tab and this little tab, see? And then I'm going to put the bottom tabs just like so. You could do it either way, I'm sure. And then you're going to take this bottom piece and you're going to wrap it all the way around. Oh, and then you've got this fabulous little bow. The side came out a little bit. There you go. Look how fabulous that is. Now what I want to do is put it right on top, like so. I think I'm going to need, I might need a little back. See if I can't do that. Now, if I had my hot glue gun on, which I don't right now, I'd probably hot glue this to the elastic, because that probably would work best, but no worries. I just punched a little circle and I'm gonna try and kind of sandwich it here. So I'm gonna put a little red line tape on the back, and then I'm gonna put a little more red line tape on the other back, and I'm gonna sandwich it together. Oh my gosh, I'm still thinking about that indoor snowball fight. How fun would that be? Oh my gosh. If you had like 3 or 4-year-olds and you lived in like Arizona, which I know a bunch of you guys do, oh my gosh, you wouldn't have snow, but you would have snowballs. Oh, you could make 2 bows and attach them to each other. I like that idea too. But there you go. Look, it's just a little bow at the top of my orb. Love it. Love it, love it. Now, we've done a few other orbs lately. I'm sure you saw for our class, and I know that Leanne was making hers while we were chatting here. Wonder if Leanne got hers done. Leanne, tell us if it was easy enough. It might have gone slightly too fast, and you couldn't pause me. But this is the other one we recently did. Look how cute he is. And he's got little snowballs on him. You could stamp the snowball on the snowballs. So fun. Yeah, Florida. Florida, you could make a snowball fight in Florida too. So this was from our class kit recently, and then this is what we just made now. So fun.